What's going on, guys? Your main man James, and today I'm going to be showing you a very solid method to do affiliate marketing. And this is going to be a method where you can use pretty much any niche, any network. You don't need to go through ClickBank. You do not need to go through ShareASale or Max Bounty. It does not really matter. And I'm going to show you how you can do that from A to Z. And this is going to be perfect for beginners, intermediate, or even advanced. All right. So if I go in here and I type this search term here, we are gonna see results for one of my favorite sites that I browse many times during the day, and this is called Hacker News. And if you open the site here, you can see now this is the unofficial site. If we scroll down, this is the official site right here. And this is a community for kind of tech people, tech news, although they have a lot of other news. And being from a tech background, this is a site that I like to browse every now and then. Now, I definitely do not agree with all the articles here, but still, it's a very good site. But what I really like about this site and kind of what I'm jealous of, the people that build the site, is that now that they have this forum and, you know, the people who own it, the people who run it, they can advertise pretty much anything that they want on this forum, right? And you're going to see sometimes they're not going to advertise various ads or, you know, affiliate marketing offers, but what they are going to advertise is their own companies, their own businesses. They're going to look for job sites. They're going to look at things like that. So for instance, if I type something like news, this, and I say hiring or something like this, I'm going to see various articles, who is hiring. And inside those articles, there are companies that can say, well, we are hiring. We're hiring, you can apply here. And that's very valuable, right? So you're going to see all of these kind of sites that are talking about, and this is very valuable. And this is a community, and communities are very powerful. And let me show you another community, another site that I really like, Mac Rumors. So if you are like a Mac person or a tech person, I use a Mac. I really like this site. I browse the site all the time, and they advertise affiliate marketing offers, right? So for instance, if you go in here, you click on new deals, right? You're going to see, if you scroll down, MacRumors is an affiliate partner with some of these vendors. When you click a link and make a purchase, we may receive a small payment, right? So if you think this is a blog, it's not completely a blog, because if you look at comments, it turns into a community, right? So they have forums, which is what we're talking about here. Forums, Hacker News' forums. This is forums, right? And they can basically browse around, they can talk about it. And at the end of the day, if you just look at this, you're basically looking at the community with affiliate links, right? Very powerful. Another really good forum is Slashdot, right? News for nerds, stuff that matters. Another tech forum. Maybe you're here. I used to browse the site a long time ago. I don't really browse it right now. And one of my favorite sites that's kind of very tech-focused, programmer-focused, developer-focused is Stack Overflow. So you can type anything that you want. You can say, Python, which is a programming language. You can do that. You're going to see various results. And obviously, this site has ads, right? So if I click on, let's say I go to more and I go to frequent, I go in here, you're going to see various ads every now and then. I'm not seeing ads right now, but you are going to see various ads. You're going to see ads. There's going to be affiliate offers, all kinds of ads. And this is, these kinds of sites I'm very envious about. Not really jealous, but envious. Because not only do they don't really need to create their own content, but they exist because they have the so-called user-generated content. And they can promote anything that they want. They can do affiliate marketing. And another huge benefit that you guys do not realize, and kind of why I made this video, is because if I advertise something here, let's say this is an affiliate offer, then later on I can advertise this whole forum on some other maybe paid traffic or free traffic or what have you. And nobody is going to blame me. Nobody's going to accuse me of spamming or anything like that, right? Because this is a forum, and forums, they have all kinds of links and stuff, but at the end of the day, this is a forum, right? So if you go in here, if you go into home, you're going to see various posts, you're going to see various categories, you're going to see lots of content. And even if all of them have affiliate links, or some of them have affiliate links. Nobody is going to accuse you. Nobody is going to ban your account, whereas they can easily ban you if you're just doing direct linking. So that is very, very important to understand. It's not so much the forum. It's really the ends and the means, right? This forum allows us to promote different things without really coming across as, the scammy affiliate marketer, kind of quote unquote, that stereotype. This is very, very important to understand here. Now, let me show you how you can create such a forum very, very quickly without, having initial content, without having initial user base, and then you can promote various offers on it. And, later on you can advertise it. And there's a lot of things I'm going to be showing you in this video that are going to really help you out. And this is a good method to promote all kinds of interesting things. Now, there's all kinds of, apps, there's all kinds of things that you can use to create a forum. But the first thing you got to figure out is the niche. What kind of niche do you want to build this forum in, right? So for instance, Hacker News is mostly for tech stuff, tech news. Mac Rumors is for products, Mac products, right? Maybe you want to create a forum, similar forum to kind of Mac stuff. Maybe it's about cameras where you can promote, Amazon or B&H affiliate offers or something like that. Maybe it's going to be a health forum, right? Where you can promote ClickBank offers. It's really up to you. The beautiful thing about creating this forum is that you can swap out offers. You don't need to create a forum about a specific offer. You can create a forum about the specific topic, and then you can have various offers on it. So for instance, Mac Rumors, they can put, iPhone, they can put Macs, they can put iPads, they can put all kinds of different products, and every time the products change, they can put new products, right? So it's this, this forum that lasts forever, really, right? It's kind of this evergreen forum that works really well. So let me show you a couple of ways you can go out and build your own forum. So this is a site. So if you go into tribe.so, this is kind of one of the main sites that allows you to create a customizable community platform for businesses. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Behind every successful company is the ability to engage and delight customers. Tribe enables you to do just that. So there's Tribe. You can click on here, create your own tribe, right? And this is essentially a forum software. This is kind of what it looks like. They kind of talk about different things. And here I started doing it, right? So I already created my account. I already have this. It's called Build Your Own Tribe. There's my name there. And I can essentially start a new collection. I can add a space to a collection. And the way you want to think about it as a collection is essentially a category. A space is like a thread, is like a post. You can do that. So for instance, I can do that. And I can go in there and I can create a new space. Okay, so space is essentially like a thread or a post, whereas a collection is various posts. So for instance, if we go back here, this is a category, right? This is kind of a collection. This is a collection. And each one of these, right? Each one, like, so for instance, if I go here, iOS 15, I'm going to see different spaces, right? These are all essentially posts, right? iOS 15 is a collection, but these are posts. So if I come in here, this is going to be a post. Okay, this is a post, and this is actually a thread with different posts underneath. That is the way you want to think about it, right? So let's say you want to create something having to do with cameras, right? So you can have a Sony collection. You can call it Sony. We're going to go back here, and you can go in here. And you can say new collection. So we can say Sony cameras, okay? Sony cameras, I can do that, create it. And now I have Sony cameras and I can create a new space. And the new space could be something like Sony A64. This is a Sony model, review and thoughts, okay? I can do that. This is part of this collection. I can hit create. And now people can go on, and I have, there's one member here. I can essentially add more content here, okay? So, I can add more members. They can discuss it. They can do a lot of interesting things. I have various spaces here. And when I actually, when I'm browsing this right here, right? When I'm actually browsing my forum, people can go and interact there, right? So as you can see, there's a little talking icon here. I can click on it and I can interact. So I can say create a new post inside this review. Great camera, I can say something like this. Great camera, this is an awesome camera. It really does work. Okay, and I can, have all these things I can do. I can add an image. I can, change how my text looks. So here's my kind of post inside this space. So it's called post has been published. And various people can comment on it. They can reply. So I can reply on my own post. Somebody else can come in and they can reply on their post. You can add new members. I'm a member. I can click on this members here and I can add new people. I can do that, and I can add new people. I can add friends, etc., etc. Now, the way you can typically promote different products, there's all kinds of ways of promoting. You want to create a post, so you can essentially go in here and you can create a post and you can pin it, right? You can just pin it to the top, right? So I can put something like this: buy this camera here, right? And this could be a link, whatever. And then, I can do something like this. This company is running specials for this camera. Okay, and then I can make this a link. And this could be, whatever, Amazon.com or clickbank.com or whatever you want. I can do something like this. Now, once I post it, I can come in here and I can pin it at the top of this specific space. It allows me to pin it on the top of this kind of this discussion thread here, right? And the other really nice thing about it that you can do is you can essentially get content from other places. So for instance, let's say we go back to Mac Rumors and you see a nice discussion that you like. You can actually import it into your community, into your discussion board. So for instance, if I go into forum and I go into trending, and let's say I really like, this post right here, this thread here. All I can do is let's say I'm browsing different posts. I can actually take this content and import it, right? So all I need to do is I need a plugin called Scrape Similar. I can right click, go to Scrape Similar. So there you go. There you have a list of, let's say, 49 posts. I believe that is what it shows you. It shows you like 49, 50 posts per page. And so you have, a perfect design. And then the last article, the last post we have, what iPad for digital art, right? So there you go. You can just copy this. You can go into Google Sheets, right? Everything is kind of done using Google Sheets. It's a very uniform way of doing it. You can create a new sheet or a new, spreadsheet. You can go in here. You can just Control-V, paste it. Now it's pasted. You can do that. And now you have the name of post. Now you have to kind of fix it up a little bit because, we're showing replies. So you can just delete all of this. You can just kind of do it. You can just delete everything. You see that big space. You can delete everything after that big space. You can do that. And once you do that, you basically have a list of topic ideas, right? Obviously, these are not topics created by you, and I recommend changing them around. I do not recommend copying and pasting. And then you can go to a tool called Easy CSV. You can just sign up for an account. And what this tool allows you to do, it allows you to connect data from CSV, Excel, SX, or Google Sheets to any app, API, or FTP server in minutes. So you can essentially sign up. You can try it for free, and you can connect it with pretty much anything. And you can connect it with tribe.so as well. So you can connect it with this, and you can essentially import all of these different posts as different spaces here. And so you're going to have a lot of content. Now, obviously, these are going to be, topics created somewhere else, but they're going to be there just to kind of seed your forum. You do not need to go out. You can create it on your own. There's nothing wrong in creating on your own. But I'm showing a method that allows you to create it automatically. And that way you're going to have a forum that appears as though it has organic content. Maybe you can also create a bunch of users, and you can have a forum that will help others to come in and to discuss different things. And even if it doesn't, you have a forum with content, with valuable content that you can promote different affiliate marketing offers, just like I showed you here. Now, this here is just one example this tribe.so. If you Google for free forum hostings, there's a lot of other forum software that you can use for absolutely free. A lot of them have free plans. Some of them have generous free plans. But for the purpose of what we're trying to do here, it's absolutely fine. So if I Google for free forum hosting, we have board host. We have a lot of these, here you have pro boards. You have so many results, right? So I opened one of them and we have pro boards, kind of like, tribe.so, maybe a little bit antiquated, a little bit, older, not as flashy, not as contemporary as tribe.so. But this is still another place that you can go out and you can create forums. And you can do exactly the same thing. You can go back here. You can create different categories or collections. You can create different threads or spaces, like they call it here. And then on top of each space, you can create kind of like a informational post, like they did here, right? So if they go in here, if I go back here to the main page, and I go to one of the deals here, and I open the thread here, this is what it is. It says deals and news and article discussion. It's actually a thread inside their forum that has links. And that is the same thing that you can do on pro boards. You can do on tribe.so, like I started doing it. And even if you do not get new users, you do not get new posters, you do not get any of that stuff, you can still send traffic to it, because you have, you have a forum. You have forum with content. As long as you have a lot of content, as compared to affiliate links, you are going to be okay each and every time. You just need content. And obviously, you can create a site, you can create this, you can create that. But this is another really good way of doing it. And the bonus here is that if your forum takes off, if people are going to start to comment, people are going to be interested in it, it's going to be even better, right? Because now you're going to have content, you're going to have, discussions, you're going to have people talking about different things, and you will have, your pinned posts where you can promote offers. Now, you don't have to pin every single thread. You can just pin some of the threads, or you can pin threads in only a certain category, in a certain collection. You do not need to pin every single thread in every single category. But still, that is an option that you can go out and explore. And I think this is an awesome option, because you can run Facebook ads to it and nobody's going to ban you because you have a forum, right? It's not like you have a landing page or a direct ClickBank link or something like that. You have a forum, and that forum has content, and there are people that are going to be getting value from your articles. And so there's lots of ways of going about it. It's really, really up to you how you want to implement it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Let me know what kind of niche you may want to do it. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I would love to help you out. But that is the method I want to share with you guys today. Let me know in the comments what you think. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel as well, and I will see you in a future video.